Hey, it's Chef Evelyn here, and I am back. And I wanted to let you know that while I am technically on your screen, I'm on vacation right now, but I wanted to record a series of videos to kind of like wrap up our Chef Care series and give you some things to really help you achieve your goals in the new year. So, over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be releasing a special kind of like mini series about how to hit your goals and certain things in your professional life and in your personal life so that you can start the new year off on a great start, on the right foot, and ramped up, ready to go for your goals. Now, what I'm not going to be telling you to do is create New Year's resolutions. I'm not even going to be telling you to create a vision board. So here's what you can expect over the next couple of weeks as we prepare and ease into the new year and what you can expect from this video series. So first thing is that you want to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you have your notification on, because I'm going to be dropping more than one video a week. So I know if you've been around here for some time, you're used to me dropping a video every single Monday. Surprise, you're going to be getting multiple videos over the next 2 weeks that are outside of our normal Chef's Tables videos. So you want to make sure that you are tuned in for that. So that's number one. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, make sure you have your notifications turned on, okay? The second thing is, if you are not already on my email list, you are going to want to make sure that you're on there, because I'm actually going to be sending out some bonus lessons only to those who are subscribed to my email mailer, right? My newsletter. So if you want to join that, it's completely free, obviously. Then the directions on how to join the newsletter are in the description box below, because like I said, there's going to be some bonus lessons. And the reason why I figured I would do this series now and also send out some bonus lessons is because maybe you were busy working the holiday season and you're finally getting a breather and you really want to think about what you want to do in this new year, what you want to do personally, what you want to do professionally. Maybe you're planning, strategizing, setting your New Year's goals. And I really wanted to support you in that effort, right? So if you just had a chance, to kind of take a breath from all the hustle and the bustle of the holiday season, these next 2 weeks are just for you. Now, in addition to that, if you have not caught up on the Chef Care series that we did in the entire month of December, I have created a playlist that includes all those videos. You are going to want to watch those, because those are going to support you and aid you in these goal setting and goal getting videos that I'm going to be releasing over the next couple of weeks as we start our new year, right? So I'm going to leave that in the playlist below. So you've already got a couple of things that is like some homework. Number one, if you have not subscribed, you are going to want to subscribe because you don't want to miss out on these videos. Number two, if you're already a part of the Chef's Table family, I'm glad that you're back for another video, but make sure you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss this special mini series of videos that I am going to be dropping, okay? I'm going to be dropping the goods. I'm going to be spilling the tea, the juice, the coffee, the water, all of the things, right? And then, okay, after you subscribe or turn your notifications on, number two, you want to join the email list so that you can get the bonus lessons that I'm going to be sending via email, okay? So make sure that you absolutely do that, okay? And then the third thing you want to do is, if you haven't caught up on the Chef Care series, make sure that you do that, right? So the playlist is down below. It's also in my channel. Go back and rewatch some of your favorites. If you did catch some, if you didn't catch it live, watch it all the way through, because it's going to really get you in the right mindset for the new year, okay? And then the last thing that you need to do, the absolute last thing that you need to do, is you need to register for the upcoming Chef Care Super class, okay? I got so excited about our time together with the Chef Care series. And I really wanted to create a space where we could go further, go deeper, and not just have like great inspiration and motivation, right? I wanted a place where we could actually apply the things that we discussed, where we could implement the things that we discussed. And I really wanted to be there to support you in creating a strategic plan for hitting your goals in your professional and personal life for the year ahead, right? So go to chefevelyn.com/superclass. I want you to read all about the details of the experience. It's going to be happening January 10th through the 13th, 2022. So right at the top of the year, okay? And listen, if when you go ahead and register, there's going to be a little bit of pre-work for you to do to get ready for the 4-day experience. And the reason why this is a super class and not a webinar, not a course, and not a master class is because this is a workshop. Each day, we're going to be putting very significant pieces to your strategic plan in place for your personal goals and for your professional goals for the year ahead, right? So I'm super, super excited about that. And more details are going to be coming about that. But if you go to chefevelyn.com/superclass, you can read all about it and find all the details there. So what is our homework? Subscribe if we haven't already. And if we are subscribed, turn our notifications on. Number 2, join the email list so that you can get the bonus lessons that I'm going to be sending over the next couple of weeks as we slide into the new year, right? And at the top of the new year, right? The third thing is if you haven't caught up on the Chef Care series, check out the playlist below. Watch all of those videos, right, to get you in the right mindset and get you ready. And it's going to, and those videos actually are going to like kind of underscore the more tactical things that we're going to be talking about over the next couple of weeks. And then also make sure that you register for the Chef Care Superclass, because if you really want to walk into the new year with a tangible action plan on how you're going to hit your goals, not just another vision board, not a wish list, right? Because a goal without a plan is just a wish, right? If you really are tired of going back and flipping through your notebooks and being like, I still haven't made progress on that goal, or, I still don't know how I'm going to achieve this, or I've been saying I'm going to do this one thing or these 3 things for the past 2 to 3, 5 years, whatever the case may be. If you're over that and you're like, you know what? This is a new year, new me. I know, very cliche, but it's applicable, right? So if you know that you're ready for a new year, new business, new goals, right? And you want a step-by-step strategic plan, and you know that you want to take the time to really sit down, plan it out strategically so you can know how you're going to achieve those goals over the next 12 months, then the Chef Care Superclass is for you. So go to chefevelyn.com/superclass. All the details are there. Registration is currently open. I'm only taking a certain amount of people into the experience, so you don't want to miss out on that. And let me know, what questions do you have below? Make sure you do your homework, right? So this is a little taste of what it's like to coach with me. Is I give adult homework, right? Because I want to see you win. I want to see you succeed. I want to see you hit your goals in the new year. So listen, get ready, buckle up, put your seatbelts on, because this series that I'm going to be releasing to you is going to be just as good, if not even better, than the series that we did on the Chef Care. This is, consider this like, the aperitif, right? Consider this the dessert. Consider this the after dinner drink, right? Consider this, the bonus. Consider this the amuse-bouche that I forgot to give you before we started this Chef Care series, right? So I'm super, super excited about it. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, join the email list, catch up on the Chef Care series that you've missed, and make sure, most importantly, that you register for the Chef Care Superclass so that you can have a strategic plan for the year ahead. So I'll see you in the next couple of days. Peace.